Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn off TalkBack shortcut on your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, here, settings, scroll down and go to shortcuts and accessibility. And shortcut and accessibility, okay, go to accessibility. Here in accessibility, you can see the TalkBack, okay, tap the TalkBack. And okay guys, here in TalkBack, you can see the TalkBack shortcut. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn off the TalkBack shortcut, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully disabled or turn off the TalkBack shortcut on your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.